Welcome back, Stingrays. As you can see, I have managed to finish my Good Morning Stingray sign. I'm thinking I'm going to hang it like right here, maybe. I don't know, for the mornings. But right now, it's an instructional video. And today's lesson, boom, ow, I just stabbed my finger. Multiplying and dividing integers. Now, what are integers, you ask? Well, let's go back to day one. So we should know this. It is any positive or negative whole number. Now, a whole number. And hopefully the video from day one just played. I'm working on some editing stuff. But multiplying and dividing integers. Everybody did a great job with this when we did the first time. Everybody continues to do a great job with this in general. But let's just look at the multiplying. I'm only going to do multiplying, but dividing is the same way. Okay? 3 times 4. You've always known this since 3rd, 4th grade when you started multiplication. These are positive numbers. You never had to think of it because you didn't think of negative numbers yet. But 3 times 4 equals 12. Positive and a positive, technically, there's another positive here. You just don't know it. You never had to know it. Now, let's look at the other one. I've tried to use different colors, so hopefully it comes through. Negative 7 times negative 5. Now, here's the thing. If you look here, this is blue. I just erased it, but this is blue, this is green. Technically, that blue and that green line have merged, just like before when we had the subtraction and the negative. They've merged. Remember? Subtraction, negative, boom. They merge into a positive sign. So technically, those two negative lines are still here. When you have negative 7 times negative 5, you have 35. 5 times 7 is 35. A negative and a negative, they fuse together and become a positive. Very good. Now, here's where we have to make sure we're paying attention. I have 2 times negative 7. Now, there's one negative in the answer. There has to be one negative in the question. There has to be one negative in the answer. So technically there is. I mean, up here you had 2 negatives. So here you had 2 negatives. Technically, they fuse together to make a positive. But here you only have 1. So if you have 1 negative in the question, you have to have 1 negative in the answer. So 2 times 7 is 14, but how many negatives? 1. So in your answer, 1. Oh, and somebody asked, am I going to post a new page? Last week when I was looking at it, I didn't like the page. I didn't have a lot of problems. But I'm thinking, it's Monday. It was a gloomy weekend. It's really rainy today. I'm going to leave the old page. It's a couple of easy answers, and then I think like 8 actual math problems. I'm also going to post the IXLs. Any other announcements I need to make? I don't think so. I'll see you tomorrow, Stingrays. Stay strong.